Hi, so in this demo video we'll be going over how to create an event through Google Calendar. So you'll open up your application and go to the create button on the side and hit event. And it'll take you to this screen. You'll hit more options and you can add your title. And then right under you can select a time and a date for this. And then under you can add the details of your event, like the location. You can choose to have it notify you, or you could mute this, which is what I tend to do. You can add a description of your event, and you can also add any attachments or photos or anything like that. And then on this side you can add guests. And once you do that, you can save it and it will appear in your calendar. Just like this.